Welcome to another episode of Currency Insights. Today we have with us Dr. Björn Teufel, Senior Project Manager of R&D and Technology for security foils. We're diving into the fascinating world of banknote patches. But first, let's chat about what we've just seen in the video. Are these real banknotes?
Absolutely. We have the Kazakhstan 5,000 tenge banknote with the rolling star patch and the Suriname $500 banknote with the Verify color change patch.
From a technical point of view, what's the difference between the two patches aside from their appearance?
For classic substrate application, the rolling star patch delivers eye-catching movement and color shift from gold to green. For secure windows, the Verify color change patch adds a high level of functionality, combining a transparent view through with dynamic color change from gold in reflection to blue in transmission. And in transmission, it also serves as a window, making it even more difficult to counterfeit.
So Björn, how are these amazing effects achieved?
The secret behind these effects is the combination of two overlapping high-tech security layers. Micromirror technology with the incredible amount of over 4 million precision mirrors per patch. And ColorShift metallization that enables striking color transitions. Together, they make this patch a true power package in banknote security by creating a uniquely dynamic visual experience that commands attention.
That's attractive and convincing at the same time. But how do we get the patches onto the substrate, and which substrates are suitable for this?
At Louisenthal, we have special web-fed application machines for all kinds of paper substrates to apply the patches. The patches can be any shape or size and can be placed almost anywhere on the banknote. This flexibility allows for high freedom in design integration, supporting intuitive recognition and enhancing security.
Are there customers who prefer to apply patches by themselves? And if so, how can we assist?
Certainly, applying the patches at the customer's premises has been a common practice for years. We support customers utilizing every system, whether roll-to-roll or sheet-fed application. We typically arrange a qualification run with the customer on site.
Thank you, Björn, for sharing your insights on patches on banknotes. It was truly a pleasure to have you as our guest today. And we kindly thank you for watching and look forward to see you again for our next episode.